It's different, and well, not so much, but they've enlisted the help of Bobby from the band. Look at that, Bobby from the band, ladies and gents. There he is. He loves it, he does, he loves it. And we always have a rehearsal for the Passenger Talent Show in the afternoon. We always do, and everybody comes along. They have a little blast of the song, they go, they have a dance. These guys, you had one rehearsal, then you waited and had another one.
We did.
And Bobby wasn't meant to be helping, but he was walking past at the wrong time. And he just got a chord sheet thrown at him. And when I say a chord sheet, it was a bit of paper with chords that he'd just written down on. So it was well organised and well prepped to say you've just thrown it together for this, but it's going to be different. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome our final act, the Three Amigos.
Please bear with us, because as you will see, we only wrote this last night in the pub.
Oh, it was funny then. Rick.
What do you want, mate?
I've got a little joke to get us going.
Okay.
How many musicians does it take to change a light bulb?
I don't know, like, how many musicians does it take to change a light bulb?
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. At first I felt quite ill on the starboard side. Then I went to port, then to Vigo, red and white. I realized before too long that something here was going wrong, 'cause I had 5, and I'm not enough to lie. So now I'm here, up on the deck. When I get home and check the bar bill, I will get it in the neck. Should have stopped when the receipts had only filled 1 drawer, but I wanted more. And now I'm falling on the floor, so you see me up on the stage, trying to think of lyrics on another page. Should have got me a thesaurus before you came and saw us. I had my pride, so I came on stage and died. Now you see us in need of booze. We never won a talent show or any single cruise. We never won the bingo. We never won the quiz or won a Swiss. But I guess that's just showbiz. Anyway.
Well, hey, have you had a good cruise? Yeah. I've enjoyed mine, as you can probably tell. I'm going to pay for it when I go back next week, you know. My doctor's going to have a right go at me, because he told me what I had, you see. I got this thing called bulimia, which isn't good, really. It's a cross between bulimia and Alzheimer's. I remember to binge, keep forgetting to throw up. It's not good, but last night, I tell you what, I slept like a baby. Woke up 3 times, wet the bed, and then cried myself to sleep. Well, I could do that, you see, because I'm on the cruise on my own. Can I have an hour? Yeah, see, me and my wife, we got wed in the toilet. It was a marriage of convenience. Toilet of convenience? Where's the captain? He's been brilliant. Has the captain been good?
Captain!
Captain's been fantastic this week, except for today. We need to get the old security guys out and go and arrest those 2 kids. One for drinking battery acid, the other one for eating fireworks. Charged one, let the other one off. Oh, give me a break. Give me a break.
Oh, I will.
Because that captain, he's brilliant, you see. He reminds me of my dad, because my dad was a magician. Every time he walked down the street, he turned into a pub.
There's the hook.
Anyway, because I tell you what, it's been a fantastic cruise. Really enjoyed it, because I tell you, when I came on this cruise, I was 8 stone. Food's been good, isn't it? Yeah. Has been good, enjoyed that. Saw a couple of blondes earlier on walking to the ship. You'd have thought one of them would have seen it. But I'm not much better than myself, you see. I'm not much better than myself, because the last thing I did was I cut off the bottom of my trousers and sent it to the library. That was a turn up for the books.
Come on, Nick, I'm getting hungry, mate. If you finish, mate.
He's gone and on, he's gone on and on.
Hey, look, don't you get hungry, because I've already eaten, mate.
Yeah, what'd you have?
I had that chicken tarka. Chicken tikka? No, chicken tikka.
Chicken taco, what's that?
Well, it's like chicken tikka, just a little hotter.
Oh,
Yeah, all right, that means me.
Speaking of food, let's crack on with this. There's a place on the ship where you can eat and never tip, and it hides way up on deck 11. So if you're in the mood for a plate full of food, you just need to get up to 11. To stuff your face, we know just the place, so we're climbing the stairway to 11. If the sea's in a swell and you're not feeling well, then you need to avoid deck 11. And we're climbing the stairway to 11. Because no one's on board from Devon. Thank you very much. A big thank you to Bobby, everybody. Thank you, Bobby.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the three amigos plus Bobby. Oh, there you go. Thanks, Bobby. Look, you've been doing the curtain.